I'm fine. How are you?
It's very good.
Today is very hot weather. I can see the sunshine.
Yes, I think the vogel are looking for water.
Exactly. Because of the hot weather, they are looking water, and some of the birds I'm seeing here, they're looking some food as well.
Yes, and some birds are sit downing, and some birds are flying and talking.
Yes, exactly. I think they talk about the apples because I saw one apple tree over there, some butterfly flying, some birds are sitting on a grass and they are trying to eat it.
Yes, there are a lot of birds today. One bird is going down and take some water and a bag.
Yes, I think so. He is going long distance, so he's trying to keep water in a bag. Certainly, when they need a water, they can drink a water over there. Wow, it's a hot day anyway. I'm also feeling very thirsty. I'm going down and drinking water. Do you want to come with me and drink the water?
Yes, I want to drink with you some water. Let's eat also some apples.
Oh yeah, it's a shiny, ready apple as well. Okay, let's go now. Yes, hooray!